That avatar effect you just saw is one of the easiest animations in FlipaClip, and it looks clean for intro, lyrics video, and dramatic review. In a few minutes, I will show you exactly how you can do it on FlipaClip. No drawing, no stress. Let's get into it. Right here, you can create your project by clicking on the plus icon. And over here, you name your project. So this project, we are naming it Type Animation. Here you choose your canvas size for your project. For this project, we are selecting YouTube 1080p, and we leave our frame per second at the 12 fps, and thereafter we create a project. The first thing to do is to fill up our background. For this project, basically we're going to make it a dark background. So what you do is that ensure you're on your background layer, which is layer 1, and thereafter you go on your fill bucket, which is this, and once you click on your fill bucket, you change the color to black color. Then you click on the interface, then you have a black background for your project. Create a new layer, click on your layer and click on this plus icon, then create a new layer. So after you've created your layer, the first thing we have to do is to create this, which is typing icon, and this is very easy to go about. So what you do is you click on your brush here, and once you click on your brush, you select a pen, which is already on pen. Then we're going to select our color to white color, and presently it's on white, and we're going to change our pixel, increase your pixel to 8 pixel to have at least a thick line. Yeah, this is good. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to click on this ruler, so that we can have a perfect vertical line. So once you click on the ruler, you have this, then you can adjust and then adjust as you want it. So we're going to make it a very vertical line, very straight vertical line, then you just draw. So now you have the vertical line. Next up is for you to resize it and place it at the center where you want your text to begin. So we're going to resize and place it at the center, where we want our text to begin. We can resize. Let's resize. After this, the next thing is that we are going to create additional 3 frames to this one frame, which will give us 4 frames. So firstly, let's create the additional frame. So basically you can go about by holding on to the frame, then copy, but to make things faster for you, you just click on these 3 icons here, and once you click on the 3 icons, you click on frame viewers. Once you click on frame viewer, then you can now hold on to the frame. You hold on, you click it, you press your fingers on it. Once you hold on to it, you see it's now marked, it's highlighted. So now you click on the copy icon. Then once you click on this, you have your paste icon activated. So now we click on it, then we paste it and create 4 to make it 4 frames. Now we have 4 frames. Currently we have frame 1, frame 2, frame 3, frame 4. So what we do is that we are going to delete our drawings, our vertical line that we created on these 2 frames, which is frame 2 and frame 3. We now have only the line on frame 1 and frame 4, just to have that blinking cursor, blinking line on our interface, on our frames. So right now we go about to go on frame 2 and frame 3 to delete the line. So what you do is just click on your lasso tool here, lasso tool, highlight it, and you click on what? You click on delete right here. So we have the frame just empty. You go on frame 3 as well, you highlight it, then you click on delete. If you play it right now, you have a looping cursor on your screen. So the next thing we have to do now is to have 2 seconds timing of this icon blinking. So how do we get it 2 seconds? Since we are using 12 frames per second to get 1 second, That means we're going to get 2 seconds by duplicating our frames to what? To 24 frames. I believe you understand that. So to duplicate, you click on the 3 dots, then you click on frame viewer. So firstly, you copy the 2 blank frames towards frame 4. Just click on frame 2 and frame 3, click on copy, then you click on the frame 2, frame 3 again just to clear it. Then you now click on frame 4, and you click on this icon here, which is paste forward. So once you click on it, you now have frame 1 with the icon, frame 2 which is empty, frame 3 which is empty, frame 4 which with a line, and now frame 5 and frame 6 with a black space. Now if you highlight everything and start duplicating, you will get a proper cursor blinking that will give you the 2 seconds icon blinking that we want. So right now we click on this icon to highlight everything, to select every frame that we have. So once we select it, we have all the frames selected, then we click on copy icon, then we paste. Now we have 12 frames, you paste again. We have 18 frames, now you paste again. Now you have 24 frames, which give you 2 seconds of this icon blinking. So now we head on to create our text, and the text for this project we want to type out is carton. So what we do right now is to start creating the text right from frame 23. I believe you understand what I'm saying. So firstly, we're going to create a new layer for our text. Click on your layer icon, then click on plus, then we start creating the text one after the other, frame by frame. So you click on your text icon here, then click on your interface, then you type the first letter, which is C. You can make it capital letter, small letter, how you want your text to be. So you click on C, then done. Then you click on insert, and thereafter we change the color to white, so we have a pop text on the black background. And after we've changed the color, we can now change the font of our text to a bold font. So we're going to select this, which is Clear Sound Bold. So now selected, now we can now resize our text to match our icon size, which is perfect. Now we have C created. So now on the frame 24, you copy that same C text to frame 24. Select your lasso to just highlight it, then copy and go on frame 24, then you paste. And also you create frame 25 with that same C, just copy it and paste. So each text we have 2 frames before the next text appear. Now we have C on frame 23 and frame 24. So the next text will appear on what? On frame 25, which is A. So same way, you select your text, click on the interface, then type the text you want to create, which is A, and click on done, insert. Now we have our text created. Just adjust it and arrange it properly. Yeah, so now you duplicate the frame to 2, copy and paste, copy and paste. So the next text will now appear on frame 27. Like I said, each text has 2 frames before the next text. C has 2 frames, 23, 24, and here join with the C has 2 frames, which is 25, 26, and the next text, which is how we start on frame 27. Same way, select your text, then you type how and click on done. So after that, same way, you duplicate, and the next will appear on frame 29, which is T. Click on your interface and type T. Duplicate as well. The next text, which is whole. So you copy and another O, and the last text, which is pen. Duplicate this. So now basically we have all our text being typed out. So to round it up, we have to have the same cursor we have blinking at the start. We have the same cursor to blink at the end of our text. So what do we do, or how do we go about this? It's very simple. Now as you duplicate this, duplicate it to 3 frames, and now you go back on the line frame, which is layer 2. So you go on the line frame, then you copy the line, then go to the last frame, then you paste it, and now you move it forward. So same way we did the first one, same way we're gonna do here. So we're gonna just copy on frame 36 that doesn't have the line, so we have that blinking effect. So copy it forward by clicking on the paste forward here. Now you have the one empty. Now you go on frame 37 with the one with the vertical icon, you copy it, click on frame 38, you click on it, then click on paste forward. Now you have 37 with the line, 38 empty, 39 with the line. Now you duplicate the 38 to have a proper timing for the cursor blinking. Now what we do is we have to achieve this also in 2 seconds. So now we're going to duplicate frame 37, frame 38, 39 and 40. So before we do that, we need to copy the empty part with the one that doesn't have the vertical line in front of the frame 40. You get me? The same way we did to the first part of the icon blinking. And now we're going to copy duplicate right from 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So you click on 3 icon, click on frame viewers to make things easier for you. Just hold on to frame 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Basically this is 6 frames, and we want to achieve 2 seconds of that, which is we amount to 24 frames. So you're going to duplicate this. Now we need 18 frames with this is to make it 24 frames to achieve that 2 seconds blinking. So just add the 18 frames to 42, which gives you 60 frames. 42 plus 18 amounts to 60. So you copy until you get to 60, paste and paste and paste. Now we have our animation fully done. Basically our text is not actually at the center, but when you want to create yours, you can ensure you let your project start from the very point you want it to be. Or basically if you have something like this, just resize the interface on your video editor. It's very easy to go about. So we're done with this. Let's play and see what we have. So you can see the icon blinking, and we have the text being typed out and ramped up. So basically this is how you create your typewriting animation effect, your text typewriting animation effect. So let's save our project. You click on the 3 icon right here, and next up you click on what we call make movie, which you can see here. So once you click on make movie, you have the settings for you. Ensure you save your project in MP4, which is video format. And right now we have our animation, which give us what, 5 seconds animation, and so far we have 60 frames for our animation. So click on the make movie and you have your project being saved. Ready to up your game in animation? The Phone Animation Masterclass is now fully live on our seller page. Create full cartoons using just your phone. Animate with your phone 2D animation. The full course is now available at just $10. And this gives you access to all the tutorial videos that will take you from zero to professional. The link is in the description. Enroll now. The ABC Animation, the Beginner's Animation Bible, is also available for you at a token if you're not yet ready for the full animation course, which introduces you to everything about animation from A to Z.